Hey gang, it's been a little while, so I thought it was time for a quick tip.
Hey gang, just got a really short video here for you today. Quick tip on table saw maintenance for you. So I hope you enjoy. Usually once or twice a year I get out my trusty SC Johnson paste wax and just give my table saw a good coat with it. You can see me here just applying it pretty liberally, and then I'll let it sit for a little while and wipe it off. And I cover the entire surface of my table saw, well, at least the tabletop, as well as the bars on the side that my fence ride on. There's probably a technical term for that, but I am not aware of it, so I'm going to call them bars. It gets pretty humid where I live in the summer and pretty cold in the winters. So this is just a really good way to make sure that your table saw stays free from rust. It also keeps everything sliding really nicely on it. Any wood that I'm cutting or even my cross-cut slide really nice on it after I've got a nice coat of wax on it. So try and do that on a semi-regular basis like I mentioned. Speaking of crosscut sleds, once I've got everything waxed and buffed, I then take my crosscut sled and use more or less the same process. Apply a liberal coat to the bottom of my crosscut sled, let it sit for a bit, and then wipe it off. This helps my sled slide well, and it also just kind of keeps waxing the top of my table saw, so it's a win-win. Anyway, I hope you found this video helpful, and hopefully you use it on your own table saw or have a similar process that you use to keep your tools working as well as you can. Obviously my saw's not young anymore. In fact, it might be older than me, but it still works great, so I'm going to keep treating it like a baby. Man, does that slide nice. Thanks for watching, and remember, sweat for it. Don't go into debt for it.